Okay, we're here. I'm gonna open the fridge of doom. It's been sitting for probably 5 years. I'm not sure. Yeah, and the power's been off for a long time. So I'm gonna put on my mask. We're gonna open it. I'm really curious to see what's inside there. All right, I think we're ready to do this. Forget Area 51. This is scarier. Yeah, let's take off the tape. Whew, there it goes. Oh, gross. Oh my god, it's like melted. What the hell? Look at that.
Oh, shit.
Oh. It's like ash. Like, what happened? Did that guy catch on fire there or what? That's so gross. I'm so glad I'm wearing a mask. Alright. Oh, that's so gross. It's still leaking. Okay, let's look at the freezer. Whew, I'm scared. Oh, I can't open it. Oh my god. Woo! That's so nasty. Oh, gross. Oh. All right, so who wants to buy a fridge?